Stella and Sam are at the farmhouse. But why are they collecting ladybugs? They are very smart. They know that ladybugs eat away insects that harm plants. They plan to put these tiny friends in their kitchen garden. Sam has collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ladybugs, while Stella has collected 1, 2, 3, 4 ladybugs. How many ladybugs have they collected in all? To find how many ladybugs are there in all, we must put the two groups together and then count. This is called adding. An addition sentence is written using the plus symbol. This addition sentence is read as 5 plus 4. Now, let's count the ladybugs that we put together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 ladybugs. So, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Sam and Stella want to show their kitchen garden. Let's go. Ah, look at the red, juicy tomatoes. They are ripe and ready to be picked. There are 1, 2, 3 tomatoes on one shrub, and 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes on the other. There are in all 3 plus 4 tomatoes. How many are 3 plus 4 equal to? Let's put them together and count how many are there altogether. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tomatoes. So, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Stella plans to make tomato soup from these tomatoes. Sam had planted pumpkin seeds. There are 2 pumpkins growing on one vine and 3 on the other. How many pumpkins are there in all? Let's put the pumpkins from the 2 vines together. That's correct. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumpkins in all. So, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. How many chilies are there in all? How many lemons are there in all?